Hey guys, another dog lab video. It's not really a challenge. Well, I guess it could be.
That's right, today is a special one.
We're all stuck inside for the coronavirus. This is something I found in the creek, and I had the idea of making it into a sniper tower. We are going to, try to make it into a kind of like a sniper tower on a paintball. It's about Jillian.
So, as you can see, this part here is broken. And when we found it, it was embedded in the mud. We had to drag it up through the mud, and this made a huge problem. So, like I said, we're planning to make a sniper tower, and one man's treasure is another man's. Wait, no, that's not the same. One man's junk is another man's treasure, or in our case, one man's thrown away rusty rack is our sniper tower. So, we're gonna get to work and see if we can transform this thing.
Our challenge, is, I guess, to transform this thing into something worthy. I put this wire and held it more or less in place. It's not great, but
yeah, there's no point in
okay.
pulling out a bunch of welding stuff just to weld one little piece. That's not really even supporting that thing. This is really just to keep the leg straight.
We're gonna start scraping this thing, get all the...
As you can see, there's a bunch of mud and stuff left on from when it was submerged.
Then we're going to take these 2x4s and
Place them in my floorboards.
put 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. This plywood, that's going to be the sides.
Yeah, we got a
The
couple of
walls,
pieces.
I'll show you where those are going to be. It's going to be right here, here. So there, and then right on this side or the other side. I can't tell which, I'm not sure which one I'm going to do. I'm going to take this piece. That's heavy, so I don't want to just do that right now. I can do that. Take that piece, I'm going to set it in here so we got a little doorway space, just so you're a little bit more protected. And then, that's scoop of things. Hey guys, all we gotta do is hook it in. We finished it other than that.
So to attach these walls to this thing, we're going to use this wire. I know it doesn't look very durable, but it should work. And we're going to use it to hold it in place, drill holes in, and tie it in. So, see how it goes.
Hey guys.
Hey everyone! So we're done for today. Next up, we're going to be decorating.
Hey guys, back and we are going to start decorating it.
So yeah, it's day 2. We got it built. We're just, like he said, decorating. So enjoy.
So guys, this is it, our finished product. As you can see, we went camo here and added these torches off the top. Yeah, we will be lighting them when it becomes night.
Yeah, we haven't painted the inside.
Yeah, we did.
Not really. So I've deeper vandalized the sides a little bit.
We have peace here. Right here we have a smiley face, but you can't see it. And right here we have a peace sign.
Oh yeah.
Various thing for sniper tower.
Symbols of peace in this award. Don't worry everyone, we will be painting over that. So about the inside, please send advice on what colors we should be doing on this inside, since we really don't know at the moment.
Hey guys!
Hello everyone!
We finished.
Yeah, it's evening now. Well, ish. Doesn't really look it, but it is. And yeah, we finished while we were away. Did a few things that wouldn't be that interesting to watch, such as painted the inside of this whole thing. So, we got sides. We also added a bit of bamboo to make it look cool. And of course, fire! Fire!
El fuego!
Yeah, hopefully it doesn't light my hat on fire. Anyway, so go around, see a bird vandalized our fort already. Yeah, so this is it. Wow, this is hard and self. So yeah, this is our thing so far. We will be testing it in one of the future videos, so stay tuned for that. Alright, so yeah, I guess it's not as well, I mean, top notch as it could be. I mean, we got it held together with wire, makes it more portable, but no, not best. But considering that it went from that to this, that's a pretty big change. So thank you everyone for watching.
Hey guys, it's Luke. What up? I'm still alive. Barely surviving quarantine, but it's all good. I want to let you guys know, if you guys want more of this DIY type of content, let us know. Let us know what you want to do. This is the type of stuff I love to do. You know, summer's coming up, we can build water slides. You know what I mean? Let us know if you guys want this type of content. And we'll still do like the challenges, like the cinnamon challenge and stuff. But guys, let us know if you want us to become one of those DIY type channels. Not showing you guys how to do it, but you know, we create our own things and then we just do, like, not like vlogs, but you know, that type of content. So let us know in the comments below. You guys speaking out will, that's what's going to make the difference. Please let us know what you want to see, and hope you guys stay safe. Back to Julian.
Leave a like, subscribe, and yeah, stay tuned for us testing this thing out.
Anything else?
Yeah, also, yeah.
And also guys, I'm going to take this camera and I'm going to show you a bit of the course we made out of some pallets we got from some places. Hey guys, no, we did not steal these, but here's the kind of like fort we have. There we go, there's a wall, there's some more walls.